Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Cash App Boost and the Cash App Card to get discounts at tons of places like $1 off coffee shops, 10% off Chick-Fil-A, Chipotle, Wendy's. They might have a little something for whatever type of restaurant or place you're into. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the home screen. You can use this to send and receive payments from people. But what we're going to be talking about is sort of the balance screen and the card screen. Before we get into that, all you need to do is sign up for Cash App. If you use my link in the description, we will both get $5 for free, so that's a nice little bonus. Then once you're all signed up, you can connect like your debit card or your bank account. You can see I have a debit card here, and then I have a Cash App balance. So I have $46.10 on my Cash App. And I could send that back to my bank. I could use it to buy stuff. I could send it to other Cash App users. And in order to add money to your Cash App balance, you just tap add cash right here. And if you want to send it back to your bank, just tap cash out. So once your account is set up, you can come to the card screen here, which is the second item in the tab bar. And at this point, if you don't have a Cash App card, you can get one. It's completely free. You'll get to customize the design and everything, and they will send you a card in the mail. Now, when you swipe the card, it's going to withdraw from your balance here on Cash App. So you kind of just add money to your Cash App balance, then you can spend it with the card as you wish. Once you have the card, you'll unlock boosts. Now, boosts are this thing right here below the card, and I can change this. So you can see all these different ones I can get. 15% off DoorDash, 10% off Bath & Body Works, 10% Wendy's, 10% Nike, $3 movie theater, 10% Hungry Howie's. You get the point. It goes on and on. Right now I have Chick-Fil-A selected. Another one I use a lot is $1 off any coffee shop visit. Now these do rotate from time to time. I've seen like Chipotle, Panera, all kinds of stuff like that in here as well. The $1 off coffee shops is always here though, so that's nice. But I just have it on Chick-Fil-A right now. I eat there a little bit, and here's the details for this. So this says expires in 4 days. That just means the boost will be removed. If Chick-fil-A is still available, I can just reselect Chick-fil-A. But it says minimum purchase of $150, max discount of $7.50, and you can use this every 60 minutes. So that's nice as well. So you just select a boost, and then when you use your card, that discount will automatically be applied. I'm gonna go to the history tab and show you an example. So you can see here, Saturday, I went to Chick-fil-A, 10% boost was applied. You can see the details. My order was $8.48. I got 10% off, which was 84 cents, and my total was $7.64. So it just automatically takes that money out of my Cash App balance here. And there you go. That's how the Cash App boosts and Cash App card work. It's actually pretty simple, and you can get a lot of good discounts with it, especially if you eat at some of these restaurants on the boost page, but they're always cycling, so there will eventually be something on there that you eat. There you have it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more mobile app tips, tricks, tutorials, and experiments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.